Hi guys.
Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of laptop keyboard auto-pressing in Windows 10.
So, let's get started.
To fix this error, you need to open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for the Keyboards option and double-click on it to expand the list.
Find your keyboard in the list, right-click on it, and select Update Driver.
Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer.
Select the appropriate driver from the list and click Next. Windows will now update your driver.
Once the update is complete, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Turn System Icons on or off.
Find the Touch Keyboard option and turn it on.
Now, you'll see the touch keyboard icon on your taskbar. Click on it to open the on-screen keyboard.
And that's it.
You've successfully fixed the issue of your laptop keyboard auto-pressing.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.